Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this Valentine's Day pink and purple rhinestone heart makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the Juvia's Place Sweet Pinks palette for the kind of bright pink shade. And I'm using this to create the cut crease shape. Here I'm adding more eyeshadow and then I will be blending it out. Then using a little bit of the lighter pink shade to blend out the darker one. Then I'll be using the Warrior 3 palette for the purple shade. And I'm adding this purple right along the cut crease and then blending out. Next, I'm using makeup remover and Q-tips to cut the crease and remove any excess eyeshadow. Next, on the lids, I'll be using the L'Oréal Infallible Concealer. Next, I added some tape to the edges, and I'll be using this to help me create an eyeliner shape. And I will be using the pink and purple shades again. Next, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Highlighter, and I'm using this on top of all the colors. Next, I start to add rhinestones in a heart shape. I wanted the heart to look like it was kind of going into the cut crease and then being cut off on the one side. Next, for the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes. And that completes this pink and purple cut crease heart rhinestone makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.